Ozone, the most powerful disinfectant that no one has ever heard of. Ozone is the most powerful disinfectant on the planet, and yet amazingly, few people actually know about it. The only thing stronger than ozone is extreme heat. Ozone is over 1,000 times stronger than chlorine, works 3,000 times faster, and is scientifically proven to destroy 99.99% of viruses and bacteria, including the coronavirus. Ozone works by oxidizing and destroying the outer shell of the virus and begins work on contact. This prevents it from being able to attach itself to host cells and replicating, rendering the virus harmless. While a good cleaning regime is important, the main way that the virus spreads is through breathing in the virus from invisible droplets. These droplets are called aerosols and float in the air that has been contaminated by someone who is already infected. This is a much bigger problem in spaces with lots of traffic, like toilets, changing rooms, or communal kitchens, for example. It is impractical to clean them after every time someone uses these rooms, and chemical fogging can be time-consuming and expensive. This is where EnVIRUSafe comes in. The EnVIRUSafe units produce low levels of ozone well within recommended safety levels. They can be left running 24/7, working continually in the background, providing ongoing protection by helping to keep the air and the objects in the room sanitised and free from the coronavirus, reducing the risk of infection. Ozone removes the need to use expensive chemical fogging, and as no chemicals are required, ozone can be safely used in food processing areas. Ozone is made up of 3 oxygen atoms, and any unused ozone reverts back to oxygen, leaving no toxic residue. Here are just a few of the applications where ozone disinfection units can be useful. Residential care homes, pubs, bars and restaurants, hair and beauty salons, hotels, guest houses and Airbnb, as well as meeting and conference facilities, waiting rooms and reception areas, offices, workshops and showrooms, daycare centres, nurseries, colleges, taxis, car rentals, buses and coach companies, to name but a few. The EnVIRUSafe ozone units will save you time, money and maybe save lives too. To find out more about how EnVIRUSafe can help you to keep you, your staff and customers safe, click on the button to download your free information pack or call us on 01925 321 888 and speak to one of our technical advisors.